Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to share about idioms and phrases, their similarity, meaning, difference and few examples. Well, if you like my video, please press the like button and hit the bell icon so that you get all the notifications, and also subscribe my channel if you like it. Please share your views, and for more topics which you want to see in my channel, please do write in the comment box just below it. Okay, let's start today's video. So, let us first understand their meanings, the meaning of idiom and phrases. As you can see in this screen, idioms are a group of words in a specific order that form an expression whose meaning is different from that of the usual meanings of its constituent parts or words. Okay, so for example, uh, idioms exist in every language. Let me tell you this thing. Idioms exist in every language. They are words or phrases that aren't meant to be taken literally. Here, to explain you, let me give you one example. If you say someone has cold feet, it does not mean that their toes are actually cold. Rather, it means they are nervous about something. Right. So here in the screen, you can see I have given two more examples of idioms. Spilling the beans. Here it means to reveal secret information unintentionally. Spilling the beans. Okay, it's not like letting out all the beans, from the um, cover, but it means to reveal secret information unintentionally. Similarly, one more example I have given, one's cup of tea. For example, like somebody is saying like to go there, it's not my cup of tea. It means like that I cannot do. It's not my part of job. So that is what like one's cup of tea. So that is what idioms means. Okay, idioms means that these words are having some inner meaning. Okay, inner meaning, they carry some meaningful things. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Now let us discuss about phrases. A phrase is a word, a group of words that stands together as a single grammatical unit, typically as part of a sentence. A phrase does not contain a subject and verb and cannot convey a complete meaning. A phrase is a group of words which does not make a complete sense. To make you understand, let us move ahead to see the next slide. Well, in the slide, as you can see, these examples, moving quickly but stealthily is the key to survival. The next example, I lived near the beach. He sings in a low register. According to Mark, the system is broken. Now, if I tell you only the red portion, for example, if I say I lived near the beach, if I say only near the beach, the sentence will not give a meaningful sense. So I have to write everything. I lived near the beach. I'm just giving you this example, only one example. The others are also same like that. If I write only the red portion according to, it makes no sense. But the group of words like according and to will make no sense if I say according to. But if I'm just to make it a complete sense, I have to write it full. Like according to Mark, the system is broken. So phrases are only the group of words which makes no sense. Okay, all the red portions, red marks that I have done in the slide, this all these red marks are called phrases. Okay, hope you understand. In this slide, I have added few more things about idioms. As I told you earlier, idioms are the group of words which give some inner message. Okay, just go through this slide. Idioms are the expressions and these are quite different from the words. However, idioms can be a word or group of words which are used in the sentences to convey the inner message. For example, raining cats and dogs. It is an idiom. which means heavy rain. Raining cats and dogs, it's nothing like, raining all cats are falling down or dogs are falling down, but it has some inner message like it's raining heavily. That's what it means. Hope you understand this. Well, in this slide, you can go through this. I have added few more idioms in this. Based on the countries and cultures, different idioms are also used and are available. These are a few which I have added in this video, in this slide. In my coming video, in my next video, I will try to give some more idioms so that you will learn different idioms in different countries used. Okay. Okay, friends, in this slide, as you can see, that we have to keep in our mind that the groups of words are not always used as idioms, and based on the context, the meanings of the words get changed. For example, an arm and a leg. I like that pink dress, and while taking that, it cost me an arm and a leg. Again, in the next sentence, I have given an arm and a leg. Due to a major train accident, he has lost his an arm and a leg. See, both the meanings are completely changed. So that's what it means, that the group of words are not always used as idioms. Sometimes, based on the sentence, the meanings of the full words get changed, as you can make it out here. The idioms in the first part, an arm and a leg, is like it's too expensive, because of that he could not purchase the dress. And in the second sentence, it means that due to the accident he has lost his arm and leg. Okay. Okay, in this slide, let us discuss few differences between idioms and phrases. Idioms carry fixed meaning, whereas phrases do not have any fixed meaning. Idioms are units and the meaning cannot be understood by separating the words. On the other hand, the meaning of each word contributes to the meaning of the phrase. An idiom can only be understood when one knows the meaning of that particular idiom, whereas a phrase can be easily deduced or logically understood. That's all for today's video. Hope you like this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching.